Hi everybody, it's Crystal. So today I was just going to show you about some yarn that I got in the mail today from Herrschners, and it's actually a pretty good deal. So I just wanted to share it with you guys. So it's like two separate deals. One's a little bit better than the other, but I don't think that really either one of them is too bad of a deal. So I'll show you what the first one is. Now some of you have probably already seen these on their website, and you probably already know all about them. But I just happened to run across them, and they were something that I wanted to try because I thought it was a pretty good deal, and just wanted to share it with you guys. I like to, share the yarny love of a good yarn deal. Well, when I think it's good. Now, this is Herrschners brand yarn. This is their worsted 8 yarn. Now, what that means, it's a regular 100% 4-weight acrylic yarn. The 8 means that it's 8 ounces of yarn. So there are 489 yards per skein, so almost 500 yards per skein of one of these. Okay, and now the yarn is similar to Red Heart Super Saver yarn, if you're familiar with that. But a lot of people told me, because I bought this one other time, a lot of people told me in the comments of one of my videos that they really like this yarn and that it does soften up quite a bit after you wash it. I haven't made anything with it yet, so I'm making a Christmas tree skirt with it, but I haven't made anything to where I can wash it yet and tell you that if that's truth, but I'm sure that it is because multiple people told me that. So this is what it is. It's the Herrschners worsted weight. Now there's a baby and then there's a regular. Now these are the baby packs, and like I said, they feel like kind of pretty similar to Red Heart Super Saver, if you felt that. And now these come in, and they have a one thing I do like about these, though, they have a pool tab in the center. How awesome is that? You can't get that with Red Heart Super Saver, can you? Super cool. So this is the baby. It's their baby value pack yarn. They come in packs of 3, and they're color coordinated for you, so you can make something out of it. And like I said, there's almost 500 yards for each one, so that's 1,500 yards there. Now these they're on sale, I guess, right now, but they're $10.99. That's what it says right now. They're $10.99. Okay. Now, I don't really think that's a bad price for almost 1,500 yards of yarn. And they come pre-coordinated like that. I don't think that's a bad price. Let me look it up here, and I'll show you what colors they have. And now, remember, they have a lot of bundle packs. Quite a few. But this one is the baby. Now, I don't really know the difference between the baby worsted 8 and the regular. I think it's the colors that are different. They're more geared towards baby colors, because they feel pretty much the same to me. It's just I noticed the colors are different in the baby brand than it is in the regular, but we'll go over that in a second. So they come in 3 packs like this, and they're pre-color coordinated for you. And this one is called Kiddie Pool. I think that's it. No, that's not what this one is. I can't even read. This one's Goldfish. Ain't that pretty? I like the way they come in a package and they're already the colors are already together for you like that. This one's the Kiddie Pool. I like this one a lot. So they each come with 1 variegated and 2 solids that coordinate with it. And then this one is called Fluffy Clouds. And I think they match well. That's one thing I noticed about the Herrschners worsted 8, that their variegateds and solids, they match up perfectly. A lot of them do. So, and this one's called Fairy Princess. Evelyn will love something out of this. Probably a blanket. She loves pink and purple. Pink's her favorite. Purple's her second favorite. And I think this one's really pretty. This one's called Tangerine Twist. I like sometimes to use non-traditional colors for baby items, and I think this would be something super cool. Ain't that pretty? I think they're really pretty. And then they have one more called Baby Doll. It's got blue, purple, and a coordinating variegated. So, like I said, I think that's pretty good price for those. Now, the other one that I got is even better price. They have those 3-packs also in what they call seasonal value packs. So they have them coordinated per season. Like they have a Christmas one and a, I don't know, St. Patrick's Day one. You can look on their website, but they're 3 a pack, and they're $10.97 for the 3. So same price, $10.99. Now this is the other one I thought was a pretty good deal. Okay, this is called the Herrschners Worsted 8 Home Decor Value Pack. Comes like this, and I guess it has a pattern in it. Let's check it out. I didn't really didn't really open it up to check it out yet, but it comes in a bag, has pattern with it, or an Afghan. Well, mine does anyways. And then it comes with 4 balls of the worsted. It's like Red Heart Super Saver. It's not bad yarn. See, there's your pool string. This is a worsted 8 regular. It's not baby. And really the only, like I said, the only thing I can really tell a difference in between the baby and the regular, I could be wrong, is the colors. But to me, they feel the same and everything. So, I mean, I just noticed the colors were a bit geared towards children in their baby line. But anyways, so this is the 8 ounces, almost 500 yards per ball in one of these. And they come kind of color coordinated, depending on the ones that you want. I only think they have 5 different ones of these available. So the one I have right here is called Serendipity. It's got 2 different colors of purple and 2 different colors of green. So that's almost 2,000 yards of yarn, because they're what, $4.89 a piece. 4-weight acrylic yarn, and they run $11.96. Now I think that's a really good deal. I do think that is an extremely good deal. And they have this one was probably my favorite. This one's called Chocolate Covered Cherry. It's got browns on it, of course, but it has the same Afghan pattern in all of them. I don't know if that's like something, but it's got browns and a red. I think those go really well together, actually. Can make a nice pretty blanket with that. And then they have, let's see, this is a Marina. I think they color coordinate them pretty well when they do it. And then I got one more, which is called Nautical. And they also had one more after this one too. I didn't get it though. I don't know why, but I didn't get it. This one's Nautical. I think it's pretty. And I think that's a killer deal. The other one's called Mossy Oaks. It's kind of got green and brown and gray in it. So anyways, like I said, I just wanted to show you guys. There's only one downfall to this. For some reason, I don't know why, when I turn on my computer to tell you guys all about this and get the pricing right, these home decor packs, 4 packs that are $11.96 for almost 2,000 yards, are on back order, all of them. But they still let you buy them, so you can purchase them if you don't mind waiting, because it's a really good deal. I might get some more for giveaways, and I don't care about waiting. Some of them's on back order till September, and some's on back order till October, but they can always come in sooner. Whenever you buy stuff on back order, they just ship them when they come to you. But they're still letting you, they were letting me put it in my cart, so I would imagine they just send it to you when it comes in. So I think it's a killer deal. Why they're on back order all of a sudden, I have no idea, because they weren't when I bought these not too long ago. But anyways, if you don't mind waiting, it's a good deal. And I think, you know, $12 for almost 2,000 yards is a good deal. And this was $11, not quite as good as a deal, $11. But I think The colors are really good in these. It's still a pretty good deal. 1,500 yards almost for 11 bucks. And they come pre-color coordinated. These are not on back order. But I don't know why them home decor ones are. But I just wanted to give you guys a heads up in case you were interested. If you don't mind waiting on something to be on back order, I just want to tell you guys that it was a really, really, really good deal. And also, there is a free shipping code that I found on the internet. Now, I think it only works for the US, okay? It's called, let me look here. It's for if you spend $35 or more. The shipping code is all together, all capitals, ship it free. And I'll put that in the comment section in case you want that. Ship it free. All together, all caps. But I think it's US only. I can't be certain. I mean, if you live in another country, you can try it. But it's probably just US only. But yeah, I just want to tell you about those awesome bundle packs. I mean, I'm super happy with them. It's way cheaper than Red Heart Super Saver if you think about it. Getting these bundle packs. And if you do a lot of blankets for charity or anything like that, that's cool. 12 bucks, 2,000 yards, got a pattern with it. You got plenty of yarn there to make a blanket. I think it's a good deal. And like I said, lots of people told me that it softens up after the wash, and it's not extremely scratchy, but it's not soft. It's like Red Heart Super Saver. So I'm happy with it, and I just wanted to get you guys in on a good deal. I don't know why they're back order now, but if you don't mind waiting, I'd probably go ahead and order some because it's a pretty good deal. I'll probably order some more for giveaways. So I'm happy with it. I'm happy with my Herrschners purchase. I think them baby ones are super pretty. I mean, the way they're really coordinated up real well. But that's it. Now, I'm not affiliated with Herrschners at all. I bought this all myself. They did not send it to me, and I do not have affiliated links to Herrschners or to any yarn company. I don't care if you buy their yarns or not. I only like to spread the love of yarn and tell you when I find a good deal and tell you guys about different companies that maybe you guys didn't know about. So this time it was just telling you about a good deal I found. Unfortunately, they back ordered them for some reason, but that's okay. If you don't mind waiting, I don't mind. I'm going to get some more. So thanks everybody for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this short little video about a good killer yarn deal. Everybody loves a good deal. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.